You gotta show me how to load it.
I'm not.
No.
Yeah.
You crack it open on the bottom and it slides one in, remember? No.
The one on the left.
Fine. Hit the one on the left.
And then I put this.
Yep, with your thumb. It's low to the right a little bit. Do you see it?
What?
It's a little low to the right.
Load to the right.
Oh, I see it.
Hello everybody. Welcome to the Hunter Gatherer channel. And it is November 18th, the day before opening day of gun season in New York. And we're at the Canaseraga Conservation Club. We've got a 25, 50, 100, and 150 yard targets up there. And I had the ladies just shoot a little bit just to make sure their rifles were on for the morning. I've got to work tomorrow. I've got a class. Insulate, Isolate is the class. And doggone it, it's been a long time since I missed opening day. But the importance is you got to make sure you sight in your rifles, shotguns, and all that. You never know if you bumped something or which ammo you might be using, because Brielle's first shot and second shot and my first shot with her rifle were all, well, her first shot was kind of off. Her second one and my first one were right dead on together, but it's because it was a different ammo than she used last year. It was a Remington, and last year we used the Winchester. So I put a Winchester in, it hit bullseye. Joy is just a little down and to the right, but I feel like she's gonna be okay with that. Now I've got my 270 and Joy's 20 gauge to sight in, and then we'll be ready for the opener. On here we have Brielle, me, changed ammo, me. And then this is the 20 gauge. We got Joy, me, I adjusted it, me, and then me. So, and that's not the greatest pattern, but I think I'm rushing a little bit too, so. I'm hoping you had a chance to sight in your shotgun or rifle before the opener in the morning, and I hope it's shooting well for you. If you don't belong to a conservation club or hunting club or shooting club, I suggest looking around and consider joining one. It's taken me 40 plus years to finally decide. I don't know why, but I just joined this year and I'm already really enjoying the facility and the shooting area. Our little conservation club here, I think it's $30 or something like that for an annual membership. They've got a nice facility, heated tables, little kitchen area, and the range. They got some property here. So if you're from our area, the Canaseraga, Garwoods, Birdsville, whatever, maybe give somebody a call, look into it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Hey, just want to let you know that we love you, God loves you, and hopefully you have a safe and successful hunt in the morning. See you guys later.